Hi, we are from group number 262 Kuliah Kerja Nyata Belajar Bersama Masyarakat 64 Universitas Airlangga. We'd like to show our activity programs that supported the SDGs. But before we start, let's talk about the SDGs. Since it was legalized in 2015, there are still many who do not know the meaning of the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs. The existence of the SDGs is inseparable from the Millennium Development Goals or MDGs. The end of the MDGs is the beginning for countries around the world to formulate new platforms to continue their goals. On September 25 till 27 on 2015, there was a meeting called the Sustainable Development Summit, which legitimated a document called the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs, which contained 17 goals and was divided into 169 targets to make a better life for humans. Those 17 goals are 1. No poverty, 2. Zero hunger, 3. Good health and well-being, 4. Quality education, 5. Gender equality, 6. Clean water and sanitation, 7. Affordable and clean energy, 8. Good jobs and economic growth, 9. Industry, innovation and infrastructure, 10. Reduce inequality, 11. Sustainable cities and communities, 12. Responsible consumption and production, 13. Climate action, 14. Life below water, 15. Life on land, 16. Peace, justice, and strong institution, 17. Partnership for the goals. To achieve the SDGs, it is not only the duty of the government. It became a shared task, including us as students. In the era of the COVID-19 pandemic that recently occurs, it is an opportunity for students to contribute to help the government in realizing the third goal of the SDGs, which is good health and well-being. This third goal has 9 targets that have been set to ensure a healthy life and support well-being for every single person in all ages. This time, we group number 262 carried out Kuliah Kerja Nyata activities in Patihan Village, Widang Subdistrict, Tuban. The village is located quite far from the center of Tuban City and borders several districts such as Bojonegoro and Lamongan. However, this village is quite beautiful with abundant biodiversity, fertile soil, very cool air, and certainly with its friendly and humble residents. We have 13 activity programs divided into 4 sections. One of them is Siaga COVID. This work program focuses on health and the third point of the SDGs. Its implementation is on the village of Patihan Luar and Patihan Dalam, which is on Bengawan Solo Riverbank on August 7, 2021. In short, Siaga COVID is an activity to distribute 400 masks, spraying disinfectants, distribute 100 posters of how to wear a mask correctly, and placing hand wash soap in several public places such as village hall and mosque. These activities is run in orderly, smoothly, and strongly supported and assisted by local village officers. And of course, we keep maintaining the health protocols. The residents are also quite enthusiastic and feels helped by our action on distributing masks for adults and children for free and spraying disinfectant to every house. This activity does look simple, but for us, the Siaga COVID activity is a fairly important activity during the pandemic. Especially the wear of masks that are one of the keys to prevent the transmission of COVID-19. Although the spread of COVID-19 is still quite high, public discipline towards wear a mask is still not good enough, especially when they going out of their houses. Both adults and children are the same. They did not wear a mask when they hang around. Wearing a mask is indeed important, but please do not wear it carelessly. So, we also try to educate the public about how to wear a mask properly and correctly through distributing of 100 posters and a video education like the following. First thing first, cover your mouth, nose, and chin. Make sure the colored part of the mask is on the front side. Secondly, press the top of the mask so it will fit the shape of your nose and pull it down to the bottom of your chin. When you want to remove your mask, simply hold it by the rope and then immediately throw it to the trash can. But please don't forget to fold it like in the video so it won't hurt the wildlife. Don't forget to wash your hands with soap after throw the used mask in the trash can. Last but not least, don't forget to change your mask regularly to keep it clean. Pretty easy, isn't it? So, let's protect our families and the environment from COVID-19 pandemic by remembering pesan ibu. 1. Do not forget to wear a mask. 2. Keep your social distance for at least 6 feet or 2 meters. And last but not least, please wash your hands regularly. We hope our action will bring a big and good impact for every single person in Patihan village. Hopefully, this pandemic will end soon and everything will be back to normal again. Thank you for watching.